Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 2.5mm hex key to unscrew the 4 screws that fix the decorative shell of the wiring port. Disconnect the small battery terminal. Disconnect the terminal of the torque bottom bracket. Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Use an 8mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crank puller. Use a 16mm wrench to loosen it in the direction of the front wheel, and remove the crank. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the 3 screws that fix the chain cover. Remove the chain cover. Leave the sprocket spline removal tool with a length greater than that of the bottom bracket. Install the bottom bracket sleeve. Use a chainring spline removal tool to press the sleeve tightly. Fix the crank on the other side first. Use an open-ended wrench to loosen the chainring in the direction of the front wheel. Remove the chainring spline removal tool. Remove the chain from the chainring. Remove the chainring. Remove the left hand crank. Use an 8mm hex key to loosen the crank screw. Screw in the crank puller. Use a 16mm wrench to loosen it in the direction of the rear wheel, and remove the crank. Use a bottom bracket ring spanner to unscrew the bottom bracket cup. A rubber mallet can be used to assist. Remove the bottom bracket torque. Install it with the gear-equipped end facing forward. First, tuck the wiring harness in. The wiring harness should not be twisted and should be installed closely along the bottom bracket. The gear on the other side should be completely exposed. Apply thread locking adhesive to the cup. Screw in the cup. It should be screwed in smoothly. If there is any jamming, unscrew it immediately and try again. Use a wrench to tighten it. Install the left hand crank. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screw. Install the chainring with the teeth facing outwards. Apply thread locking adhesive to the chainring. Screw on the chainring. Install the bottom bracket sleeve. Use a chainring spline removal tool to press the sleeve tightly. Fix the crank on the other side first. Use an open-ended wrench to tighten the chainring in the direction of the rear wheel. Remove the chainring spline removal tool. Install the chain. Install the chain cover. Tighten the 3 fixing screws. Install the cranks on both sides in opposite directions along the same straight line. Apply thread locking adhesive to the crank screw. Tighten the screw. Confirm that it rotates normally. Insert the bottom bracket torque terminal. Plug back the small battery terminal. Reinstall the small battery. Tighten the 4 fixing screws. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.